fold out a cardboard box or lay down some newspaper just to catch any debris. You can choose a pot only slightly bigger in size than the previous one, just don't be too generous here. Add a layer of soil to the bottom of the pot. Your plant should sit 1 centimetre below the rim. Using 2 fingers to support the plant stem, gently tip the pot upside down and tap it out. Fill in the remaining spaces with some nice premium organic potting mix. Water well and allow to drain. Only water again when that top soil is dry, about 1 to 2 inches down. Use a susty, it takes out that guesswork. White equals water me and blue equals watered.